How to open an Xbox. Comes right off. Hold on. These three. I want that too. Just kind of pull them off. Just kind of pull them off. Hold it out like that. And then these. It's basically rip. Wait, I'll grab on. So just basically rip this thing off. It goes right back on. It might sound like it's breaking, but yeah. Yeah, this. Okay. Now this part you won't be able to see it. Just kind of pull it off, each side to side. It may sound like it's breaking, but don't worry, it's not. Just kind of pull it off. Okay. Now, here's what tools you're gonna need. Get a T8 Torque. Just buy them at like a hardware store. I can follow these. Just get a T8 Torque. Okay. And you don't need to pull off all these screws. You need to get this one. This one. This one. Also, pull this thing right off. It just comes off. Oh, and this one. Then had a hot swap. Okay, pull these. These two just take. You're gonna need them, so don't break them, but just pull them off for now. Then it loses. Wait, I don't know which one it is. Let me try. It's not that. Not that. Okay, T6 works, but there's better ones. This is just a good one because it actually pulls it out. And that's the last one. Okay. A couple more parts you're gonna need to know if you're hot swapping. Okay. There's that. See this? It's basically twist this apart. Yeah, see? Twist it apart. See that metal thing? Wait, right there, that metal thing. Okay. You go like this. Don't have it, just have it like this. Have the metal thing in the metal magnet thing in the middle. Have it in the middle or stuff's gonna screw up and you're gonna break your disc. Then yeah. Just like that. Okay, now back to our Xbox. Okay. Plug this front back into the black and white one. Okay, now that, there you go, now that it's open, go like this, and then the game's gonna be running. Let's see, yeah. Put a game in here, push Y, go to that menu, go down like that, put the game in, put it back. That's basically it, and it still works even though you have the thing off.